Welcome to Good Morning Dent. We are your hosts.
Ahoy, matey.
Ahoy, me Hardy.
Today is International Talk Like a Pirate Day.
Ahoy means hello, and matey and Hardy mean friends or buddies.
Today is Wednesday, September 19th, 2018.
Alabama, Alaska, Arizona, Arkansas, and California, Colorado, Connecticut, and now onto the border state of MD that begins with a D. Did you think Delaware? If so, you're correct. We're in Delaware.
Dover is located in the middle of the state and is not the largest state in Delaware. Wilmington is the largest city. A huge swamp covers parts of southern Delaware. Many bald cypresses and red cedar trees grow in this swamp. To see bald cypress trees, why not visit Battle Creek Cypress Swamp in Calvert County, Maryland? Delaware has coastal beaches, but also many hills and valleys called the Piedmont.
Hey, did you get your spirit wear order? And yet you only have Thursday.
Why until Thursday and not Friday?
We are off on Friday. School's out for students Friday.
Tomorrow's lunch menu is nachos grande, corn, vegetable cup, mixed berry cup, weekly items, hamburger, cheeseburger, and chicken Caesar salad.
Tomorrow's weather is mostly cloudy with a high of 78 degrees.
Please stand to say the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Have a wonderful Wednesday.